What is up, humans, from whatever nondescript social media platform I am posting this to? It is I, Cryptic, and I'm here with another cosplay foam armor update, Clive Rosfield edition. This video brought to you by A&W Zero Sugar. Cause you can't cosplay without some root beer. I'm kidding, I am not sponsored by anybody. But they say, dress for the job you want, so A&W, pay me. I've been working on Clive Rosfield's arm armor and shoulder armor, and I've gotten a couple pieces done so far. So, what I've done is spray painted, and this piece goes right here. On the right side, as you can see, I've spray painted it with black gloss spray paint, and then I took a metallic silver permanent marker and drew over the trim with that to add some detail. Now on his other side here, he has this little extra embellishment on the top. I did the same for this black gloss with metallic silver permanent marker for the trim and detail, and this one I sprayed metallic silver with spray paint. You can do this with hot glue, or you can use what I used, which was just some contact adhesive to add an extra layer of security there. I drew in some details here with just basic black permanent marker. So that goes right there. So this is a pretty massive, interesting, unique piece that I've never really seen on someone until I looked closely at Clive, but maybe it's on some other video game character's armor. But this goes right at the elbow, and I just made it out of, I think it's 10mm EVA foam, bent it with a heat gun. You can use a hairdryer. Then sprayed it with black gloss spray paint. Did the metallic silver permanent marker for the trim, and then I cut this part out of styrene with a X-Acto knife. I first drew it and then cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Hot glued it. This is also sprayed with metallic silver spray paint. And then I just hot glued it to there. And so this piece is ready to go. Now, my plan to secure those to my body, I kind of want to see if I can use some old belts I got from Goodwill. And I'm going to chop these belts up so that I just get this part and this part, and then I'm gonna use some contact adhesive maybe to secure those to the armor, and then that'll be the way I fasten the armor itself to my body, and that'll add a little bit of extra realism to the piece as opposed to just using Velcro and foam to attach the armor to my body, and in order to tighten it, you know. And this is a really easy solution because Goodwill always has women's belts, men's belts too, for super cheap, $2. And they're, you know, they really add just a next kind of another fun dimension to the cosplay. If you have any, you know, armor pieces that go on the arm that use a strap, that you would normally use Velcro with. Just buying a really cheap belt at Goodwill could, you know, shoot your cosplay into the next level. Just cut it up and attach it to the foam. Use that as the fastener. I'll keep you updated. Alrighty. Have a good day.